Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2020 Nissan Altima. I'd like to share this with you. We're getting ready to put this on a lot. This has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine in it. We'll do a quick walk around on the outside. Then we'll go on the inside. Beautiful front end on this car with the chrome accent going around. Go here on the passenger side. Being a 2020, as you can imagine, I mean, the looks of this thing is just absolutely stunning. Let's look in the trunk. So here we are, I got the trunk open. This car does have a backup camera, and the camera is right there, as you can see. So let's continue our walk around on the driver's side. Silver. Well, I tell you, when the sun hits this, it is a very beautiful car. Beautiful indeed. Let's look inside. Okay, the car does have black cloth interior. Show you the liner overhead, and the door panels are black also. So take a look up front. Now the driver's seat is power. Walk around, you see it's got a large LCD monitor for your display. We'll see a little bit more of that here in just a moment. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, I am on the inside. Now this car is push button start stop. The push button is right here. So just put your foot on the gas pedal, push the pedal, and you'll see instrument cluster engage. And over here you can see your LCD monitor is coming to life. Turn that volume down. So nice vehicle, very nice vehicle. So get up here a little closer. You can see the mileage on this is 40,783 miles. And we back away. You do have controls on both sides of your steering wheel. This car is Bluetooth compatible, so it will connect to your smartphone, so you can control volume with your stereo. You can make and receive telephone calls hands-free right here on your steering wheel. Cruise control settings right here to show different settings up on your gauges. Get over here to the LCD display. Now this does have satellite radio, SiriusXM. I'm going to drop it down in reverse, and you see the backup camera engages. So pretty nice. Get down here, you see your climate control, and then you do have several electronic inputs here for your electronic devices, and of course your start stop button and 2 cup holders. This does open up for storage, and your back seat, the armrest does fold down. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2020 Nissan Altima. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Want to come for a test drive? Feel free to drive this thing. If you have financing questions, we've got a lot of options available for financing. So with that, hope you have a great day. Bye for now.